Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This question we have June 2017, 12 reading question number 6. And if you look at carefully, he's asking a volume obtained when shaded area is rotated about 360 x-axis. Okay. So just for your concept, I just tell you whenever two parts are there, we need to find point intersection. Luckily, the x value here, look at here, x value 1 and x value 4. So this is a x1 and this is x2. So lower limit, upper limit, we have it. So what is the technique? Because this is, you know it very well. If I integrate the line, I will get a full and I will get full. But if I integrate a curve, I get a white portion. So if I subtract them, we get our answer. Okay, very interesting. So volume formula about x-axis of one line only, for this part only, is pi outside, x1, x2, and y dx, or I say here upper curve dx. And when I do the same integration, x1, x2 with a lower curve dx, I'll look at here, upper curve means this, I'll get a full portion. This shaded area rotate about x-axis will give answer here. But if I integrate this curve, I will get a white area rotate about x-axis. So this will get from here. So, and if I subtract them, I'll get this area in the middle. So let's see how we can do it. Now I plug in, but can I make it directly? No, I have to make y subject. So x will go on this end, 5 minus x. This will come here. And lower limit, upper limit is clear. Lower limit, upper limit is very clear, 1 to 4. And what is the basic formula? We must put a square on the curves equations. This is a compulsory. So when I take a square of this, so 5 minus x dx. And same way, we have this equation of the curve, a lower curve. If I take a square of that, it means power to 4 over x dx, and limit is 1 to 4. So I believe this part is very, very clear. Let me recheck. 5 minus x. Yeah, correct. Now, can we do integration directly? No way. Here I can do directly, no problem. Here 1 to 4, 5 minus x power 2. And here square of 4 and x. If I expand it, I get 16 over x2 power. This bring it up. So I get this form. So it means 16 you write inside the integral sign or outside the integral sign. No problem at all. Now I'm going to integrate. Okay, what is the base of this under power 2? X to power 1. When power 1 is come, is called linear base. No need to expand the bracket. Directly you can do it. And what is the rule of direct? Increase the power by 1, which 2 becomes 3, and divided by same. Please don't forget the base derivative. What is the base derivative? 5 has a 0 and x has a 1, so minus. So minus 1, we must plug in it here. So this, many students, they miss this one, negative 1. I believe you will not miss it. Okay, limit is 1 to 4. Very clear. 16, increase the power by 1, divide by same, 1 to 4. Okay, let's apply this. Negative 3 goes outside, which make question easy. But I did not, okay, I miss pi here. Pi, let me write pi, all pi's once again. So pi's are compulsory, you know it very well. So pi by 3 I get from here. And now I can put the limits easily. If we don't bring 3 outside, negative 3 outside, no problem at all. Okay, 1 to 4, and this negative comes out, negative, positive 16 pi. So I simplify x to power negative 1, I bring it down, positive 1. So, you know, as much you spend time on simplification, question become very easy. When I plug in 4 here, 5 minus 4, 1 to power 3 is 1. When I plug in 1 here, 5 minus 4, 4 to power 3 is 64. So this is what part is very clear. So same criteria here, 1 over 4 minus 1 over 1. So we can do it now directly even. So this is becoming negative 63. And here, what is the situation here? So 16 times 2 in the bracket, 1 divided by 4 minus 1. And I get here negative 12. I mean, this is a negative 12 pi. Repeat, this fully answer is negative 12 pi. And if you check it here, negative, negative, positive, and I get a 3 2s are 21 pi and negative 12 pi. And finally, I got 9 pi unit cube. So this is the final answer of the volume. And I believe the concept of the whole question is very, very clear.